Most people get this wrong. They assume all modern banks are the same, either outdated and slow or flashy apps with little substance. Greenline Banking in 2026 proves there's a middle ground, modern digital convenience combined with reliable banking features. Greenline offers full-service checking and savings accounts, a sleek mobile app, and easy access to ATMs nationwide. One feature that really stands out is their tiered interest system for savings accounts. Even modest balances earn competitive rates, and larger balances unlock higher returns automatically. The surprising truth is that many people underestimate how compounding interest, even on small deposits, can significantly grow your wealth over time. The mobile app is another highlight. It's intuitive, allowing you to monitor balances, set spending alerts, and transfer money instantly. Most people don't realize how much a well-designed app reduces financial mistakes. It's not just convenience. It actually helps you manage money smarter. Greenline also offers tools to help with budgeting and goal tracking. You can create multiple savings goals, such as an emergency fund or a vacation, and the app helps you allocate funds automatically. This visual tracking keeps motivation high, which is a game changer for anyone struggling to save consistently. Security is solid. Greenline uses bank-level encryption, multi-factor authentication, and real-time fraud monitoring. Plus, customer support is available both digitally and via phone for more complex inquiries. The main drawback: Greenline is focused on investment services or loans beyond the basics, so if you're looking for more advanced wealth-building options, you'll need a separate platform. But for reliable banking, seamless digital experience, and tools that help you actually save, it's a strong choice. So, is Greenline Banking worth it in 2026? Absolutely, especially if you value a modern, user-friendly bank that rewards saving and keeps your money secure. Subscribe for more honest reviews that help you make smarter financial decisions.